Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on Robinhood and want to step up your security game, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to transfer your XRP to a cold wallet in 2025. With crypto hacks on the rise, moving your assets offline is a smart move to protect your investments. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need a cold wallet set up. These are hardware devices like Ledger or Trezor that store your crypto offline. If you don't have one yet, grab one from a reputable site and follow the setup instructions to create your wallet and get your XRP receiving address. It's super important to write down your seed phrase securely. Think of it as the keys to your digital safe. Once your cold wallet is ready, log into your Robinhood account. Head over to the crypto section and select your XRP holdings. Look for the withdraw or transfer out option. Robinhood might have updated their interface by 2025, so keep an eye out for any new features. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Now, paste in your cold wallet's receiving address. Double-check this step because one wrong character could send your XRP into the void. Yikes. Hit confirm, and Robinhood will process the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email, and the transaction should hit the XRP ledger shortly after. A few quick tips to keep you safe. Always use two-factor authentication on Robinhood, avoid public Wi-Fi for these transactions, and never share your wallet details. By 2025, there might be even more advanced security options, like biometric verifications, so stay updated. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely tucked away in your cold wallet. This simple process can save you from potential headaches down the road. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.